What's up, YouTube? Long time no see, goddamn, but I ain't have nothing to post lately, but you know how that goes sometimes. We here with Brandon, Vanna, of course, and Joe gonna be new to the channel, but he will be here a lot. Now we are here at the, Prime Osborne Center, little car meet and stuff, and then we're gonna see how it turns out. First, we're gonna see if we can record in here. I don't know why not. If we can't, I'm gonna bring my other fucking camera in. I'm gonna stop trying to cuss, and then I'm gonna still record. They not gonna stop me, goddamn. But so far as we walk into, we take a big ass L with this Miata. Can't go too into that. That black one is beautiful. Oh yeah, let's do it. We done got the damn GTA truck. Is this what 6 stars look like? Up close and personal. That's dope. That's dope.
Is it crazy to use a jellyfish?
That look like a little wagon you pull.
Sure. My pleasure. My pleasure.
Don't it?
Have a nice day.
I'm gonna get you over there out of the way.
Yeah, was that it? Have a great day. Thanks for coming.
So
Thanks for all that stuff.
Ones that just made up.
What you mean? No, you're real.
Us.
Yeah, all of these probably like restored and all. We ain't waiting in no line. Think it, pumpkin. The new, I guess it's the new Mini Coupe. Smell donuts? No, I'm fat. Coupe convertible, Mini Coupe. Step into this amazing red carpet. Yeah, the red carpet's sick.
That is fact.
Same car? These things are sick. I do appreciate Audi. Loving these red carpets, dude. See, yeah, that shit clean. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm scanned it for it. I ain't even gonna.
They got it.
No, they don't. Yeah, they knew I was coming. Right? They probably, somebody gonna be there that I know. Convertibles. Jose. What are you? Right? This is the day. This is my wife. Who is it? These are my friends. Right.
These are really interesting. Huh?
The Jurassic Park Jeep. Van is excited to see the robot. It's a Volkswagen layout.
Get excited.
I see. It's adorable. See what they turned the Beetle into? Yeah, you just a little hot.
It is hot.
Yeah. All right. Well, I find no Volkswagen appealing if it's not from the '60s and Chevy. What? Oh, they got Lincoln too. Then they got the Lotuses. Yeah, it does. All of these are the same. These are like cheap sports cars. Cheap sports cars, like super sport cars. Yeah, they're trying to look like Ferrari in the back. We go to this I8 here. I see they don't let nobody sit in this one. Or has anybody even tried? Did you try?
No, I was too scared.
I do want to see what it looks like. Oh yeah, you can see the person. Ooh, they got the NSX. They're doing it. They're doing it. These damn people. Yeah, you see that? We've been looking for Dodge and we can't find it, but I think Vanna knows where it is. We're gonna see.
These cars. Oh. My question is, how are we supposed to know that it was going to come?
Right. Just smile ass up. Up. We can walk right past this one. Oh, no, you got Infinity. What?
It's all the way through out here.
This shit's sick though. I like it.
I like how certain rooms are a little quiet from other rooms.
Yeah.
It's loud.
What is this? Okay, we're in the right spot. Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram. They don't have Big Papa out there? They didn't bring Big Papa out?
No, they didn't bring that.
God damn it, Dodge. I'm disappointed in you. What? And they bring out a damn 392. What? 392. What? Come on now. I am. I'm waiting for my damn baby to arrive. That's a secret for you guys. Y'all can't know. But just know that we are having a car that's coming for the channel. Trucks, though. The truck's looking nice, you know. Power wagon. That shit's nice. Everyone wants a Jeep. Everyone has a Jeep. Ooh, an RS. Y'all didn't even bring out a V8. Vanna, get your people. Nice color, though.
We gotta walk to the back. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, it's in the back. They calling people. Please, can we use your Jeep? Oh, it looks wonderful back here. V8s everywhere. What is this? What? Huh?
Please come on over. We would love to talk to you. And I really encourage you to talk to your product specialist. We have a new Chevy.
That's good watching American Z01.
We want to reward all of our loyal customers and send them out some free Chevy gear. So talk to a product specialist.
Huh? He's starting to get into the car world. Shout out to Nate, you ugly bitch. The ZR2. Price over there.
Yeah, not
20,000. Bitch, that's nothing.
Yeah, I can run these.
That's 20 G's? That's
It's a Colorado.
What's this?
there you go. That's more like it.
Oh.
Let's see. Is this the Type R? Looks like it. Yeah. I think this shit has 300, 400 horsepower. That's a K20, turbo K20. Them things put a hurting on stuff.
Let me know if they got a demon here, because I always want to know what that shit look like.
They don't.
They got every car but that.
That's $100,000. Oh, sorry, excuse me, $120,000 coupe.
They got a. They had like a 2.
840 horses and popping wheelies.
I'm mad that you got the.
I was almost happy, but then I did see them. Yeah. They got them out, ready to hit the crowds.
That's a Mustang.
Was this 5? No. This? There was a truck I seen. The brand new 2019 Dodge Ram. This thing looks better in person. Nice paint.
Would that be your motivation, Joe?
We are leaving the little car, what did you call this? Dealership meet. Yeah, I mean, it was nice. They had a nice couple of cars. Of course, they didn't have Big Daddy, but they had some Corvettes, which is, if you could have heard, that's what that was. But yeah, that's the end of this video. If you like, hang on, because I think I'm about to get hit. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I was gonna say drop a like, but yeah, like it.